Hey everybody, I'm Tammy Jansen. I'm a co-founder at Astarte Medical Partners. We're building a software and data analytics platform quantifying gut health in the first 1,000 days. So we're witnessing an alarming health crisis. 1 in 5 school-aged children is obese. 9 million children have developmental disabilities. 18% of inflammatory bowel disease presents before age 10, and 1 in 13 children has a food allergy. We now understand these conditions to be driven by the intestinal microbiome. The gut microbiome refers to all of the microbes in your intestines, which act as another organ that's crucial for your health. And never is gut health more important than in the first 1,000 days of life, starting at conception through age 2. This is a unique window of opportunity, as it's during this period that the foundations for lifelong health are largely set. This is a period of the most rapid change in your microbiome. Proper nutrition during this time can have a profound impact on a child's ability to grow, learn, and thrive. Astarte Medical is focusing initially on the smallest and highest risk patients during this period, preterm infants. So due to the advances in modern medicine, we can now survive infants to just 22 weeks gestational age. However, for the clinical teams who care for them, these tiny babies create complex challenges related to feeding and gut health. Half will suffer from growth failure and over 40% from neurodevelopmental delays and disabilities, and they're all at greater risk of immune-mediated disease. The gut plays a huge role in all of these conditions. The gut is the organ that drives growth and brain development. It is the largest organ of immunity, impacting disease across your lifespan, such as asthma, allergy, and obesity. And unlike the heart and lungs, there is no vital sign for the gut. Our solution uses software and predictive analytics to optimize feeding and nutrition and quantify gut health. It is clinical decision support software that integrates with the electronic medical record and leverages data already collected as part of routine care. It provides real-time monitoring of gut health, reduces practice variability, and improves growth and cognitive outcomes. We currently have 2 products on our platform. Our first product to market is called Guidance. It's a patient safety and compliance tool. Guidance is an interactive dashboard at the bedside that automates a hospital's enteral feeding protocol and improves nurse workflow. Our back-end reporting analyzes compliance along with outcomes, and this product is currently in pilot at Brigham and Women's Hospital. Our flagship product is called Magi, the Microbiome and Gut Inflammation Score. We have a comprehensive proprietary data set that we're building of preterm infant gut health. We're collecting inputs such as mode of birth, antibiotic use, mom's BMI, and other nutrition factors, along with outcomes such as microbiome sequence data, growth metrics, and absence or presence of disease. When we relate these inputs to the corresponding outcomes, patterns emerge. Our Magi algorithm is built to reproduce those patterns. So in the clinic, Magi leverages data about mom and baby found in the EMR and applies our algorithm to come up with a Magi risk score, that needed vital sign for the gut. As I mentioned, we're currently in pilot at Brigham and Women's Hospital, and we have a large pipeline of hospitals we're targeting for our commercial launch. We have established data partnerships from leading centers around the world as we continue to build on our data set. We have strategic advisors from Nestle, Philips, and Janssen, and we have a patent pending on our Magi solution. We're starting in neonatal, but our next market is prenatal, developing a Magi score for pregnant moms to prevent preterm birth and improve infant outcomes. And eventually we'll move into early infant nutrition, partnering with a mom and baby consumer company. Astarte Medical was founded by myself and Tracy Warren. We've worked together for the last 18 years with 3 venture funds. Tracy is a serial entrepreneur and has an MBA from Columbia Business School. I'm a CPA and a Kaufman Fellow. Jeff Sherman joined us in January as our CTO after 17 years at Accenture. And our scientific co-founder, Kate Gregory, started her career as a NICU nurse and is now a well-regarded clinical translational scientist, having spent the last 10 years researching the preterm infant gut health. We've also established a distinguished group for our scientific advisors, and they have a mix of different backgrounds and experience to help us with our product development. We're currently raising our Series A investment from the likes of some top angel groups and some strategic investors, and we plan to close our first close at the end of this month. So please come and talk to us about how we plan to improve health outcomes in the first 1,000 days of life and help create the healthiest generation yet. Thank you.
Two questions.
I just have a question around, so I have a niece who's born at 25 weeks, and definitely, she's 6 or 7 now, definitely has developmental disabilities, and things that she's working through. And I know that when we went through this whole process, that was nothing on our doctor's checklist, right? So they're worried about heart surgeries and lungs and all these things. How can we, have you done a lot of research to find out if you really gain traction on getting doctors to really pay attention to this? Because this is really interesting.
Yeah, I mean, I think as we build our data set and we talk with researchers, I mean, literally around the world, I mean, this is definitely top of their list. The beauty of what we're doing is we're building our data set with sequence data, but we won't need to sequence at the bedside in order to be effective and impactful. So it's real-time monitoring because these babies are changing so fast and they can't wait, for weeks to get microbiome sequence data. So, thank you.